Rest in peace, Lexi.
2 pound of chicken back, please, and a pound of flour.
Today would be your last. That I'd have to say goodbye to you so fast.
Hey guys, what's up? This video is really not a happy one. It's about the social media influencer Lexi the Best, Lexian. She died in a car accident. As you can see, there's a video there. Yes, telling you that she died. And so I'm just putting together this little video remembering her, because she's one of those person who I use a lot of her material on my other channel.
I watch you on Jamaica represent Lexi the best. She is the best.
Right there,
you love no what duck your team no fair for.
Oh my god!
You squeeze too much out.
I mean, my mom wants some.
Everybody wants some. Why Lexi you get this song, everybody get jealous.
Yeah. We get to do the song. Me can get 2 pound of chicken back, please, and a pound of flour.
Alright, let me add up that.
Yeah.
In the meantime, give me the money.
The money?
Yeah, the money.
The money.
Alright. Alright, so everything comes to $500. Alright. Miss, you have to make it snappy. We have other persons behind you. You know why you're moving that slow. But no sir. Wait. Miss, you can hurry up for me, please.
Here.
Thanks.
Yo, Zoom. I've dreamt about my own death, which makes me appreciate life more. I've also had dreams about my own life, which...
Okay, guys, I just something I come to say that just a little message. I am a single woman, and this is just a script for a movie, and I don't like that.
I would never, ever speak to you again because you're dead ass motherfucking wrong.
No, when I'm in a relationship and me and the person vex, don't believe like I don't feel so you can come back and talk to me that easy. It takes me 3 to 5 business days before we're good again. Don't come back no friend. I have to process things. Yeah.
Where's that?
What a meds, brother. Me ain't on a fight.
So me and a friend dog.
Warren, what a meds, no man. Here, no man. Just here, no brother. Bumbuckler.
Okay, guys, I'm here with Bay. Like,
No,
I
you
mean,
can't do that. You cannot snap me. Me not like that. Don't snap me, brother.
but babes, me and you there with
Stop me, brother. Stop snap me with your phone.
not even one stop so people can see
you.
you.
Cannot do that, brother. Stop snap me. Why you don't do that?
So what we in a relationship for?
Don't snap me. Don't do them something that behave me. I don't like it.
Alright then.
That's why my last girl broke up because she has snapped me in a bed.
But
Don't
you
do that.
know, two are in love. I mean,
No,
why
not
me
in
can't
love.
snap you? Why you behave?
Love how one big ball of roll go down the road. Stop snap.
Where you are? Grown. Move for yourself. We don't want to hear anything. You can't tell me not to make no noise in this.
All the thing I say just chill.
Chill for what? For what? Why me a chill for? Don't tell me nothing, man. Let me leave me alone.
I just snap.
Touch me, Waldo. Waldo, I need you leave me, Waldo. Why you put your hand on me for Waldo?
I deal with the accord in it.
Why you put your hand on me and a bruise on my hand, Waldo? Really?
No, watch it, man. I left you now.
You have your girl them out the road. I bet it.
Me never say nothing down the girl. Me say me I left. Me just say me I go.
Left pass the ball, left.
Me just say me I go this way.
Mr. Waldo, come out of this and see where you get in this. Sit down, man. me?
You just said
I said you sit down.
You never said
There's a woman you go to. You know where you're up to. Why you leave? If you're the main argument, go argue. Why you leave?
You can't take your argument at that.
Me shell out this man, you know. Take out the money for the rent. Yeah. Go and play with me.
I just tell you something.
Why you a smell like that? Nothing, mommy. Give me the phone. I don't know why you a smile like that. Come, give it to me. Come, you know why you a smile so but me go looking at it now. So which me tell us that they want to suck out your breast? And that me say I got school for. Me can't believe that me say I got school for. Me waste the money and money tell us that they want to suck out your breast. You know what it is called? Prostitution. I mean, I have no girl rest here, so. Can't believe you. Cannot believe it. Oh, see, you find it funny. Mommy, the word is not prosecution, it's prostitution. Stop make yourself look like a fool. What?
Pray no.
There, man.
Yeah, I'm there for my country. I'm trying to say what I've all me look out for you know see.
Me not see me. He tell me say one time he come here for check him, but he not go come for now, so you have to go away.
You talk, I know some
Yeah.
Alright,
me see you.
Cuz. You know something like that? Acha, all that. I go about place and something take to me. No, man. Cap time, you know, man.
My tea's gone cold, I'm wondering.
That's it, I'm famous. Don't talk to me.
But just want you give me some advice about Akeem, alright? Anything you say. Me and Akeem argue like every day. Yeah, I'm supposed to argue every day after Akeem not a sex appeal. Kim! Alright, sorry, I don't see truth. Anyways, you know we've been together for 4 years. Ross! Me didn't even stay in the high school so long. You goodie? You good. I just want to work out this because I really love him. And I just feel to say, this can't work. So you don't have no form of advice what you want to give me? Left him. Him really? Girl, you don't see your life short. Right now, 5 man, me have 2 sugar daddy, 2 sugar puppy, and 1 gangster. None of them can play with me. You go and like say you wife material, and you be like say Akeem on a portion, and man, you need to brave up. That's why your body I go give up quicker. You want to run down material life. Just can't have a friend when you always give me some whorish advice. You know what? Come on. Yeah, me can't come go me. I behave like say your house clean, your house dusty.
Even when I looking in a hot mess, you still can't stunt on me. Because in one snap, I could cause it. Like you feel I was playing or?
No, but me tell her for all your head steady again in a little girl. Don't make hello, me get on for ball for. No, me get on for ball for, you know. You're too damn nasty. Me don't know where you get it from. Cause I know me. You're too friggin' nasty, man. Hold your head. What a little girl nasty. Come on. You want me get something for ball for? You want me get something for ball for? I want to look up in them, man. I want me get him from. The little dry head picnic. More left, you know. Stop the balling, little girl.
If you see me happy, just leave me alone. I deserve this.
Me I call you, man. Me I call you.
Me know you not call me.
Me I call you.
Come back up here, come see you.
Me I call you. God know. Me I call you.
No, you not call me.
I swear me I call you, daddy. Me I call you.
Me don't know why them want with me to blood clot. Them want kill me over my body.
Come on, come. And give me a kiss now. Alright, later, baby.
Y'all bitches is stupid. Y'all bitches is miserable. Y'all bitches is dumb. Y'all bitches gonna make me go back to my old ways. And I've been trying to change, but y'all got me fucked up. Kiss my motherfucking ass.
Don't worry, you call about my phone, alright? Baby, just listen this. I didn't mean it when I said I miss you. I should have held on till I never should have let you go. I did nothing, I was stupid, I was foolish, I was lying to myself. Girl, we not run behind, man. We are done. We're bad bitches. We not run behind, no man, you're idiots. I left him yesterday. Baby, I miss you. I never mean anything I said. I never mean anything. I didn't mean any of that, baby. I'm sorry. Baby, I buy 2 kickers for you, baby. And I bought the Xbox you asked for. Someone calls me, sorry. Can I come over? I know why you listen to this. I don't want nobody. So keep your arm, I don't want it. Lexi, where you come from? Where you come from, Lexi? River, mommy. Me say, where you come from? Much time to say nothing down the river. But mommy, me asked you before me left. You never asked me nothing because me never there here. Me just come back here. Lexi and pass. Me now pass, you're gonna leave me. Lexi and pass. You're gonna leave me. On the blasted nerve. Pass, Lexi and pass. You're gonna leave me, mommy. I'm sorry. Pass, Lexi and pass. Me say if you pass, little girl, pass. Can pass.
You know have to question that. That question then have to ask. You have to ask the question about.
Alright guys, this is my hairstyle and let me I didn't even want to pull it, but I go pull it because I want y'all to see it. It's a bob. And this ain't no regular bob. This bob is like the bomb. Look at it. And you ladies out there that will be wearing those bomb ass wigs, you don't need to come off of the media because look on the real wig them. Look there. Look there. I don't even want to catch it behind me too much. I just want to go so a little bit. Look there. Look at the back where it cut me. Like, come on girls, go get some good wigs.
Yo, look on the girl there. You know like how the girl shape. Don't look. I'm myself don't look. And you still there look. You still look and you still look.
I feel look.
Can't style that.
Eh?
So for Jackie. Don't look, don't look. Watch out, you say tough, don't look.
I feel look what you say. And you know you say me feel look.
You have to man lick down.
You listen to me, I'm tired to see the young girl that come by Instagram and I brag with people money. Like dudes all purse put up and all these things, we not have to beg, we not have to sponge and all of that because we have money in our purse. Watch out, the money them all a bloat. Lexi! Yeah? And I father, come here to me right now. And I father money about this I brag with. Come here to me now, eh? You know you see enough to touch your partner money. You don't have no sense, eh? What cut on off the damn since where you depend? Don't have to right now to make me have nothing, you hear? Babes, I love you, you know? I know you love me. Of course. I'm like where you clean up the place. Keep the place tidy. But babes, I always tell you say me I go there so feel. And you know that too. I love how you take care of me too. As a matter of fact, chef up something. Babes, you know when you come and take care of my man, me serious. Where you want pancake or baked fish? Yo, wipe on the baked fish. Ocean meat. Deal with that for me right now. Alright. Yo, how can just that this up? Are you take it off of me last night? No, me no rest where you move from what the end. The place want clean up. Man come in and not even look for food, man can't get in a place. Go on to your mother. Cause you're not help. You're not provide no in your stuff. You understand? Some more you leave. Go on, what kind of woman you be? Man come in and look for little dinner. Little dinner in a place. And you're in a bed. So you fall close.
The baddest man on the road at me. No man no bother than me. No man.
Be nice there, man.
Be nice me I make one.
You know no gun.
Blackie, who know no gun? The bomb buckler AK we up there, my gun that. The AK, one the blood clot see up there so another yard there. And my gun that.
Who have it?
And my gun that. And my gun that.
This was my only race, and I came in last, and I got nothing to say. I'm the slowest woman on the planet, and you know what I'm gonna say to you? But I'll never do it again, because the Jamaicans, they win, they're a winner, and I'll never come on this bike again because I'm the slowest. Go on your room. Go on your room. Go on your room, manners. Go on your room. Oh, tapping eyes on there, me come get someone. Tapping eyes. Me say, me want come round the court here, no sound out of your mouth. I see what you get. People right now, I'm fed up. From the see me come for talk, you must know say I'm fed up and me can't take it no more. Andrew, running at this, sir. Your time now, I'm going to deal with you right now. Andrew. You is a very good man. He's a very good man. Continue do what you do. Yes, you know long the boy there in prison. Yeah. And me I said they now go look for him. 3 years I've been like that. And the boy that he said nah go look for him.
I know say boy innocent.
Innocent, come here say apply for imprisonment thing get.
You see them saying me
yes.
My friend them your parent.
Yeah. Jesus Christ, we said them wicked.
Food just done cook still.
That means I said them wicked, eh?
No, tell some just done cook some food.
Oh, so food. You know something eat already?
Eat already.
Yeah, but me will try to taste a little bit. Yeah, I want wicked them. That's why I'm tap to tell us say yes. That's why I'm not around them. Oh, cause them wicked.
Oh, wicked?
Wicked. Can't find.
We can't get to use me on in a rasta. But you see where more lick your bum backyard? I tell them to come take you up and carry the go put on a pipe, you know. Leave me and go on, man.
Don't eat and drink. You know that. I tell about that already. Do not do it. Eat the food. Eat the food. Look at my waist. Yeah, listen to me, man. Eat up the food. Fast too. Don't eat and drink, me say.
Why you don't shut your mouth? Why you don't shut your mouth? You really, your level of immaturity is being shown more and more.
Yes, mommy. Turn off the TV and put one of the sheet them over the dresser and man the screen crack. You don't see the weather, you don't see look like a storm. Oh, you lie down in the bed and turn off the TV. You're so lazy. You see the place after that, come help me sweep out the house, man. All you want to do lie down in the bed. Oh, you come so. Let me call the agent to come help me sweep out the water and you lie down in the bed and see what you're going to get. Oh, she there, she me away pan, you know. No, Mr. Call me sweep out your house, you there? They want people this bombs. What you just say? No, mommy. But cancel me again and a couple more you go pick up. Come let me sweep out the water. But mommy, me say I come, me and go, me never back answer you. Can't tap it and call me sweep out the water. From the weather.